That weird sound your car made this morning on the way to work? It was not a fluke. It was your bank account screaming for help. And here's the scary part. The average car on American roads today is 12.6 years old, and auto repair costs are rising at their fastest rate in decades. According to AAA, over 64 million American drivers can't afford an unexpected $600 repair bill without going into debt. Yet every single day, millions of drivers turn up their car stereo to drown out a strange squeal or clunk, while completely unaware that they are turning a $50 preventative maintenance fix into a $7,000 engine teardown. In this video, we are breaking down the 9 deadliest car noises you can never afford to ignore. Let's start with one of the most destructive noise. Number 1. The deep knocking sound from the engine. If you hear a deep, rhythmic knocking or thudding sound coming from inside the engine, especially when you accelerate, this is one noise you should take extremely seriously. A light tick can have several harmless causes, but a deep knock that follows engine RPM can point towards serious internal problems, such as worn connecting rod bearings, excessive bearing clearance, or other lubrication-related damage. Think of your engine as thousands of metal surfaces moving extremely close to each other, while separated by a thin film of oil. Motor oil creates a critical hydrodynamic barrier, just 10 to 20 microns thin between the steel crankshaft and connecting rod bearings. Automotive industry data reveals that nearly 75% of catastrophic engine failures stem from low oil levels or degraded oil viscosity that drops oil pressure below 10 pounds per square inch. Without this microscopic fluid cushion, bearing tolerances expand and cause aggressive metal-on-metal impact that disintegrates the soft bearing material. Continuing to drive with rod knock can force a connecting rod to snap and punch a hole directly through the engine block, which, in result, can lead a $20 oil top-off into an $8,000 engine replacement. If the knock is deep, persistent, and gets louder under acceleration, don't keep revving the engine to see if it goes away. Shut it down and have it diagnosed. Number 2. Grinding when you press the brakes. Here is a sound that should immediately get your attention. A harsh metal-on-metal grinding noise every time you apply the brakes. Modern brake pads are engineered with a built-in steel wear indicator tab that produce a high-pitched squeal makes direct contact with the brake rotor as the friction material drops below 2 millimeters, roughly 1/8 of an inch. According to the Car Care Council, neglected braking systems account for nearly 20% of all mechanical failure auto accidents. Ignoring this initial high-pitched squeal for just a few hundred miles grinds the steel backing plate directly into the rotor that generates surface friction temperatures exceeding 1,500 degrees Fahrenheit. This intense thermal stress warps the metal rotors, damages the hydraulic calipers, and boils the brake fluid inside the lines. What begins as a straightforward $150 brake pad service quickly escalates into a complete braking overhaul and push final repair invoices past $1,200. If your brakes suddenly start grinding, treat that sound as a warning, not an annoyance. Number 3. The screeching or squealing sound when you start the engine. You turn the key or press the start button, and suddenly, a loud screech, squeal, or chirp erupts from under the hood. It disappears after a few seconds, so you might think it's probably nothing. Don't make that mistake. One of the most common causes is a slipping, glazed, or deteriorating serpentine belt. This belt spins at over 3,000 revolutions per minute under load, while driving up to 5 critical engine accessories simultaneously, including alternator, water pump, power steering pump, AC compressor, and belt tensioner. Rubber serpentine belts degrade rapidly after 60,000 to 100,000 miles due to continuous engine bay heat cycles that regularly breach 200 degrees Fahrenheit. As the belt ages, repeated heat cycles can harden and crack the rubber, which, in result, reduces its grip on the accessory pulleys and creates that unmistakable squealing sound. And here is where a small warning can become a major problem. If the belt snaps mid-drive, your vehicle instantly loses alternator charging, power steering, and water pump circulation. Without proper coolant circulation, your engine temperatures spike into the dangerous red zone in under 2 minutes, which can potentially turn a simple $80 preventative belt replacement into a devastating $2,500 engine overheat catastrophe. So the next time your engine screams for a few seconds after startup, don't turn up the radio and hope it goes away. Instead, pop the hood and get that belt inspected before a simple squeal becomes an engine-threatening failure. Number 4. Clicking or popping while making turns. Does your car make a repeated click, click, click when you are turning? A loud clicking or popping chatter while executing sharp turns points directly to a failing constant velocity joint on your drive axle. The CV joint transfers engine power to the wheels while allowing the suspension and steering to move, which means it works under considerable stress. CV joints are packed with specialized high-temperature grease and protected by a flexible rubber boot that is designed to handle full wheel rotation and suspension movement. Once that rubber boot tears from age, road debris, or dry rot, then the centrifugal force hurls over 90% of the internal grease out within 50 miles, while introducing destructive road dirt. Once the lubrication disappears, the precision-machined components begin wearing rapidly and creates that unmistakable clicking or popping noise. The dangerous part is that drivers often ignore it because the car continues moving normally. But the damage doesn't repair itself. As wear progresses, the joint can become increasingly loose and eventually fail. What could have been a relatively inexpensive $200 boot repair can turn into a complete CV axle replacement and additional damage, costing well over $1,500. So if you hear that rhythmic click, click, click on sharp turns, then immediately inspect your CV axle. Number 5. Loud roaring or humming that scales with speed. Here is a noise many drivers mistakenly blame on their tires. A steady humming, roaring, or growling sound that increases as the vehicle's road speed increases. It is true that uneven tire wear can create similar sounds, but a worn wheel bearing is another important possibility. Wheel bearings allow the wheel hub to rotate smoothly while supporting the weight of the vehicle and handling loads from acceleration, braking, and cornering. As the bearing deteriorates, its internal surfaces can develop excessive play or roughness, which in result produce a low-pitched growl that often changes when you steer slightly left or right. The tricky part is that the sound can be difficult to pinpoint from inside the cabin because road noise can mask it. Ignoring it for months can allow the bearing and hub assembly to deteriorate further, which in result can turn a $250 repair into a $1,500 nightmare involving suspension and body damage. That's why if the noise changes with vehicle speed rather than engine RPM, then don't automatically blame the tires. Have the wheel bearings and tires inspected. Number 6. Harsh exhaust roar or sputtering. Loud, raspy exhaust roar or sputtering chatter under acceleration indicates a severe exhaust leak near the engine, often at the manifold or flange gasket. Exhaust gases exit the cylinder head at temperatures topping 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit and pulse pressures reaching 100 pounds per square inch before heading down the exhaust pipeline. When a manifold gasket degrades, then these superheated raw gases vent straight into the engine bay, where they melt nearby wiring harnesses, plastic sensors, and thermal shielding. Furthermore, back pressure losses can also interfere with oxygen sensor readings that potentially may lead to poor fuel control, reduced performance, and up to 15% reduced fuel economy. Neglecting this simple repair allows extreme heat to destroy upstream oxygen sensors and overheat the catalytic converter. What might have started as a relatively inexpensive $30 gasket repair can eventually become a repair costing $1,000 to $2,000. Number 7. A clunk when going over bumps. If your suspension system makes a loud clunk, knock, or popping sound every time you hit a pothole, speed bump, or rough section of road, then don't simply turn the radio up. Loud metallic clunking or popping when traveling over bumps indicates dangerous play in critical suspension components like ball joints, control arms, or sway bar links. Ball joints serve as the primary pivot connection between your vehicle's steering knuckles and control arms. They absorb up to 5,000 pounds of dynamic force during hard braking and cornering. Over time, internal nylon sockets wear down and expand tolerances from tight fractions of a millimeter to several millimeters of loose movement. The bigger concern is that suspension components also affect steering stability, tire contact, and vehicle control. A worn bushing might start as nothing more than an annoying noise, but a severely worn ball joint or steering component can become a serious safety issue. If the clunk is accompanied by loose steering, uneven tire wear, pulling, vibration, or instability, then don't postpone the inspection. A $150 ball joint or link replacement can prevent you from over $2,200 in structural damage. Number 8. Sizzling or hissing sound after engine shutdown. A distinct sizzling or hissing sound coming from under the hood after shutting off the engine indicates pressurized coolant escaping and vaporizing on scorching engine components. Modern automotive cooling systems operate under a tight pressure range of 12 to 16 pounds per square inch, which increases the boiling point of coolant to roughly 265 degrees Fahrenheit. But when aging rubber hoses or radiator seams crack, then that pressurized coolant can spray directly onto exhaust components, reaching temperatures of over 700 degrees Fahrenheit, which, in result, create an instant steam and that unmistakable hiss. And here is where a small leak can become a major problem. Driving with an unaddressed coolant leak starves the system of fluid and causes cylinder head temperatures to exceed 300 degrees Fahrenheit in less than 3 minutes. Ignoring what could be a simple $40 hose replacement can eventually warp the cylinder heads and turn into a $2,500 blown head gasket repair. Number 9. The transmission whine, whir, or hard clunk. The final noise may be one of the most expensive to ignore. A new whining, buzzing, grinding, or hard clunk coming from the transmission or driveline. Automatic transmissions, CVTs, and manual transmissions can all produce different noises when something is not operating correctly. A whining noise that changes with acceleration may point toward bearings, gears, fluid-related problems, or other drivetrain components. A harsh clunk when shifting from park to drive or reverse could indicate a problem with mounts, driveline components, fluid condition, or transmission operation. Contaminated or degraded fluid can accelerate wear, while damaged internal components can generate metal debris that circulates through the system. Once internal transmission damage becomes severe, then the repair or replacement can become one of the biggest bills on the vehicle. If your transmission suddenly sounds different, shifts differently, or combines a new noise with slipping, delayed engagement, or harsh shifting, don't wait for it to finally fail. The bottom line of this video is, your car always talks to you. The only question is whether you're listening before it starts burning through your hard-earned cash. A simple rule of thumb is, once a week, turn down the radio, turn off the AC, and just listen for 30 seconds during your drive. What's the single most ridiculous, wallet-crushing repair bill a mystery noise has ever handed you? Drop your worst repair horror stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Drive safe and keep your ears open.